Uy, congratulations! Graduate na siya.
Batch 2026 graduating!
Great stories are stories full of failures yet hopeful. Like a path
My fellow graduates, I am so proud of you. These are just some remarks that we may have received over the past few days. And today, we sit here finally wearing our Filipiñanas and barongs, carrying our hard-earned alampais, joined by our loved ones, surrounded by friends and classmates, with full smiles on our faces, showing the pride and joy we feel deep down inside.
lost our way, but we dare to face the morning and show up every day. We conquer not by being perfect or by being fast, but by holding one another.
Congratulations, Batch 2026. Indeed, there is so much to be grateful for as we celebrate your triumphs. You have earned your rightful place here after years of hard work and perseverance. Dawa po mainit, exhale, smile, and bask in the glory of this moment.
Thank you, Pia! Finally, this is it! Graduation na namin!
Being Bicolanos imposes a higher imperative for all of us as we inherit a rich heritage defined by bravery and excellence. Oragon.
Written in the stars, a hope for rising flame. We're moving forward together, and we'll never be the same. For the silent battles that we fought alone, for the seeds of courage that exist.
Asin sa bisa ning kapangyarihan, itinaod sa sakuyang persona ning lupon kan mga rehente kan pamantasan ng Bicol bilang inyong Pangulo. Itinatao ko sa indong 2149 miyembro kan Class 2026 ang mga degree asin titulo sa manlain-lain na programang akademiko. Pirming pagirumdumon, sagkot pa man ang tamang pagkatawo. Malugod asin maugmang pagbati sa gabos.
Who believe in us the loudest every time we seem to fail.
Ang ma-advise ko lang sa Indo, do good work. And even as the world spins faster, paminsan siguro deita namamati o namamati ang tanan nawawalat na kita. Takaskas na maray maghiro ang kinaban sa luwasta. But always know that the dots will eventually lead you to where you are meant to be. So be patient, be brave, always strive to be excellent, but most of all, strive to be human. Again, congratulations, Batch 2026. Mabuhay po, Abogabos.
Seeds of courage that the man.